Hey beauties, today we're going to create a super cute puppy makeup look. This look is all about making your eyes look bigger and sweeter for that soft, innocent vibe. Let's go step by step and create this adorable look together. I'm sure you're going to love the result. First, we're prepping the skin with a face mist to refresh and hydrate. This will help our makeup go on smoothly. Then, we'll apply a light foundation to even out the skin tone. Next, we're brightening the under eye area and any spots that need extra coverage with concealer to give it a fresh, wide-awake look. Now it's time to add some soft definition to the face. In puppy makeup, we want to keep the face looking sweet and not too sharp. We're applying a light contour to add some dimension, but keeping it natural and soft. Next, we're going to fill in the brows. We want them to look defined, but soft, nothing too harsh. Just follow your natural brow shape to keep the look sweet and soft. Now, the most important part, the eyes. For puppy makeup, we're making the eyes look bigger and more innocent by drawing a droopy eyeliner that goes slightly downwards. This gives the eyes a soft, sweet look. Then, we're blending a dark shadow under the eyes to complete the effect. Finish it off with mascara to give your lash extra volume. Next, let's add some color to the cheeks with a soft pink blush. Apply it to the apples of the cheeks and blend it upwards for a fresh, youthful look. Then, we'll add some highlighter to the tops of the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, and on the cupid's bow for a healthy glow. For an extra sweet and natural touch, we're adding some cute little freckles across the nose and cheeks. Just use a fine brush to add a few freckles to give that adorable, playful look. For an extra sweet and natural touch, we're adding some cute little freckles across the nose and cheeks. Just use a fine brush to add a few freckles to give that adorable, playful look. And there you have it, our super cute puppy makeup look is complete. This is perfect for everyday wear or a fun day out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Let me know your favorite makeup style in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.